Hello everyone. So I have total around 10 plus years of experience, and recently I have created few courses on my Udemy platform, and that are the Become SQL Champion, Fang SQL queries, and real world SQL projects and interview series, as well as Azure Data Factory real time scenarios with interview question and answer. So currently I am speaking about this course Become SQL Champion. So what I have done is I have taken few of the live sessions on my live classes to around 25 students. I teach them on SQL, and I have recorded their sessions, and then I have uploaded the sessions on my Udemy platform and created a course on Become SQL Champion. So if you see over here, these are the course content. My entire SQL course is divided into four different sessions, like beginner level SQL champion, then intermediate level SQL champion, then advanced level SQL champion, and transact SQL. So these are the things will be more than enough if you are a data engineer or analyst or fresher to medium level SQL developer. So if you see, this beginner level SQL champion contains basics of databases, then constraints, then what are the different operators available in the SQL, then normalization concepts, then different operators like, then is null, not null, order by distinct, then update statements, different DML statements, as well as case statements, and then delete, drop, and truncate statement as well. Then if you see in the intermediate level SQL, different functions I have covered, that are inbuilt functions like date time functions, string functions, then mathematical functions and conversion functions. Then some are the special functions as well as aggregate functions. Then I have also covered the group by and having clause as well as roll up and cube, right? Then in the advanced level SQL champion, I have covered like Windows aggregate functions, then Windows ranking functions, then Windows analytical functions, then SQL joins, then self join, non equi join, set operators and derived tables, then subqueries and correlated subqueries. So these are the two different things, right? Then subqueries and exist operator and not exist operator, then common table expressions as well as recursive cities and multiple cities also I have covered, right? Then temporary tables, SQL views, inline table valued functions, synonym and sequences, then indexes in SQL, and as well as merge statements and pivot and unpivot also I have covered. Then at the last I have covered the transact SQL, right? So in the transact SQL I have starting from the very basics like SQL, what are the variables, then what are the conditional statements, then what are the looping construct, then what is a cursor in SQL, then what is the exception handling, the store procedures part 1, store procedures part 2. I have divided the store procedures into the two different parts, and then table variables and store functions I have covered, as well as common database retrieval information queries. So in which I have covered like what are the different tables available into any particular database, how can we see that kind of information, what are the different views are available, what are the different procedures are available, different user functions are available. So that things I have covered into this last part. So if you cover this all this thing, then I am definitely sure that you will able to crack any of the interviews which is related to data analyst or data engineers or SQL related interviews. And if you see over here, you can see the ratings as well, right? So all of my course are having a good ratings are also there. If you see this become SQL champion, it is containing 27.5 hours of content, and it is having 43 different lectures, right? 43 different lectures. So let me try to open it. If it is, I'm available to open. So see, these are the different contents. See, from the beginner level around the 12 lectures are there, and that too also 8 hours of content. Then intermediate level 4 hours of content, then again advanced level around 9 hours of contents are available, and transact SQL also 5 or 6 hours of contents are available. You can see the reviews over here as well. It is having a very good reviews, right? It is having a very good reviews are also there. So these are the different reviews are available. So I suggest you to enroll to this SQL. If you are new to the SQL or intermediate level to SQL, then I suggest you to start with this particular course. Then if you know some kind of advanced level querying, then you can enroll to this Fang SQL or real world SQL project and interview series. And if you are a beginner to the Azure Data Factory, then also I suggest you to this particular Azure Data Factory course, right? This is my profile. I am also available on the LinkedIn. So I suggest you to enroll to this particular course. Thank you.